Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you are welcome to the family. My name is Blessing Ekato and I'm back with something interesting, guys. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this look with no foundation. So I'm going to be showing you guys a no foundation makeup routine. So the first thing I'm going ahead to do is to moisturize my face, and I'm using the olive oil to moisturize my face. And I went ahead to also apply sunscreen, and I'm using the soothing gel aloe. So this is what I'm using as my sunscreen before applying any other product on my face.
Boy, don't you see, you're disturbing me, and I know you're not the one I need.
So guys, as you can see, I'm applying the soothing gel to my face, and I'm going to allow it to dry down a bit before applying any other product on my face. So guys, the first thing I want to do is to apply concealers in the areas that I want to highlight. As you can see, I'm applying the concealer and I'm using the Pro Conceal in the shade 02. I didn't apply foundation because this is a no foundation makeup routine. So I'm going ahead to use a damp beauty sponge to blend it all out.
Oh, you tried to make me love and sink, but you know that I'm over this routine. Yeah, cause I know I can do better. Crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, you reach up somebody's grace. Crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, you reach up somebody. Crazy things are happening, they're happening. You reach up somebody. Crazy things are happening.
So guys, this is what we are looking like after blending the concealer, and the next thing I want to do is to contour, and I'm using a very dark shade of foundation for my contour because this is literally what I do for my contour. So I'm actually going ahead to apply the foundation in the areas I want to contour. So guys, I'm also going ahead to apply a blush because this is literally all I do for my contour. I go with a foundation and then a red lipstick, and I'm using a red lipstick from Who Is That Girl lipstick palette. So I'm going ahead to use a brush to blend both together, that's the blush and the contour together, to give me exactly what I want, guys.
When you are the one that caused it, you're the one that's causing all these things.
So I'm going ahead to blend the nose contour with a damp beauty sponge because that is what makes it more easier to blend. You want to also blend the areas you've contoured to get a flawless finish, because you don't want any products left on your face. So guys, what I'm doing right here is blending the remaining product on the beauty sponge on the areas where I didn't apply anything. That's the lower part of my face. I'm going ahead to use like the beauty sponge to blend it all out. And then the next thing I want to do is to set the areas I highlighted, and I'm using the black opal finishing powder in the shade light. So I'm going to set the areas I highlighted, and that's it, guys.
Make it see that you never turn your back to mine. Oh, you hold me well.
So I'm going ahead to set my entire face, and I'm using the Imam Pressed face powder to set my entire face.
Over this routine, yeah, cause I know I can do better. Crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, if you chop somebody's.
So guys, I already went ahead to draw my brows off camera, and I'm going ahead to clean up the brows with the Pro Conceal I used for my under eyes. So I'm going to be cleaning it with the concealer.
Happening, you fit chop somebody. Crazy things are happening, happening, then happening. You fit chop somebody. Crazy things are happening.
Guys, I'm not a very big fan of eyeshadow. I always like my eyeshadow soft and simple, so I'm only going ahead to apply a brown shade of eyeshadow, and I'm also using that same brown shade for my nose contour.
All you do is lie, lie, lie.
So guys, this is one flawless trick I don't play with. If you are a beginner, this is the best thing for you to do. I'm going ahead to use a dark pencil, a black pencil, to line my eyes. So that is literally what I'm doing right now. If you are a beginner, when you don't know how to use an eyeliner, you can go ahead and use a black pencil and you are good to go. So I'm going ahead to apply mascara. I'm not a fan of all these, but I love the difference it makes when I do it. So guys, I'm going ahead to line my lips, and I'm using the David's brand pencil in the shade 003 to line my lips.
Somebody's crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, you fit chop somebody. Bye bye bye.
So guys, I'm going ahead to apply a very beautiful nude shade. I have been loving this shade, this lipstick shade, for the longest of time, and I'm loving the feeling and the effect it's giving right now. So I'm going ahead to blend it all out with a small lip brush, and I'm going ahead to apply lip gloss because this actually gives a very flawless, beautiful finish.
Yeah, cause I know I can do better. Crazy things are happening, crazy things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, you fit chop.
So guys, I'm going ahead to blend my entire face with a face powder, with a matte face powder.
Crazy things are happening, happening, then happening. You fit chop somebody. Crazy.
So guys, I decided to make my hips pop, and I'm adding like a bit of shimmer to my eyes. So guys, the last thing I want to do is to apply a red blush, and I'm using the red lipstick from Who Is That Girl lipstick palette. This is one thing I cannot do without while doing my makeup. As far as I am doing my makeup, I am definitely going to apply blush. So voila, this is what we are looking like, guys.
All you do is lie, lie, lie.
So guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look. This is the look we just created, babies, and I'm so loving it, guys. This is a no foundation makeup routine, and I am still looking this beautiful. Like, the makeup is giving what it's supposed to be giving, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please comment down below the part of makeup you love doing most, and I'll be more than happy to also share mine. So guys, this is literally all for now. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye guys.
Things are happening. If you need somebody's grace, you feel